there's a level of awareness, there's a level of metaphysical understanding in terms of how we extract energy from nature, how some of us are seem biologically predisposed to psychological phenomena. You have to understand elements: earth, fire, air, water. The water possess. You know, from an animistic perspective, everything is conscious. There's no such thing as lack of consciousness. Everything that exists possesses consciousness. It's
of notes that was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something called octaves. Why do we hear octaves? Why, when you double a chord, or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why, when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency